Hi guys, welcome to Hardest Info channel. Today I have OnePlus 60 and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To set it, open Settings application, scroll down and choose System Selection, where we have first Accessibility. In it, magnification. To turn on it we must switch on, and there after triple touch we can activate it, or we can change how to activate that. In this case we must turn on screen from down of the screen using two fingers and tap on screen to zoom. To change position of our zoom, use two fingers and swipe on the screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out. To turn off it, we must use two fingers and swipe down from down of the screen. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.